Hey guys, Justin here. We are here with the B18 bottom end. We're going to find out what kind of problems we're having with it, if there was main bearings or the rod bearings, what was getting ate up in here, because we had metal and oil. So we're going to go ahead and tear down and get this ready to be honed and ready to be block filled. So I'll get the camera pointed down here so we can kind of see what's going on with this motor. Take this thing apart and we'll see if hopefully the crank's not hurt in this thing. Windage tray out of here. Okay, got one. Wow. Guys, I hope you can see this. Obviously it's going to be rod bearings, but I'm hoping you guys can see this. Look at that big spot in there. Look at that. Completely chewed out of there. It looks like they've hit it with something and busted it. It did something to it. Little scarring on that bearing. Right there. There you go. Can you guys see that? I don't know what they did to the bearings on this engine when they put it together, but they definitely messed something up. There you go, there. You guys can see the wear right there on the bearings, very, very bad. This is where the metal was coming from. So, number one, so we'll put that one. None of them look very well. Thrust washers, guys, we won't be reusing them, but we got new ones. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 back. Thrust washers on that one. Trying to keep everything in order. Oh yeah, this one's worn out too, pretty bad. Alright guys, it's all ready to be honed. So what we'll do is we're going to clean the outsider edge of these where the water runs. We are actually going to epoxy fill this. We're going to go ahead and hone the cylinders, and we're going to epoxy fill this. And but right now, as of now, it looks like we need to polish the crank. We might get away without it. We'll see. We may end up having to polish the crank, but we'll do it ourselves. It's no big deal. It just needs a little bit, a light polish. It doesn't even need a lot. It just needs very lightly hit. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to be able to hone the cylinders, because these things look immaculate in here. Alright guys, so it's not too bad. We'll get this block put together real quick. So if you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe. It helps my channel grow. And we'll get right with you with the honing video and then filling this block. So guys, please stay tuned.